not first or last, new trademark from Riley's Rebuilds. Currently at Talladega, we are in the tour bus. We actually got a tour alone, so it's just Dad, Mr. Brian, and I. Currently going under the tunnel.
Here we go.
We just were up in the stands and saw it all from up top. Whoa! Yep.
Going up.
We are very fortunate and lucky to be able to get this opportunity. We're working with some of the workers here to get us onto the track to make a video for y'all.
How steep it is. Oh, that's the bank. It's like a wall. Nope. You don't stop up there. Look at how steep they are.
I can run that.
Good luck. Made it halfway. Oh, is he gonna make it?
Yeah, Mr. Brian! Yeah. Y'all, coming at you from Talladega Superspeedway. We're here this morning to cover what I said last night. We have something very special from Edelbrock. It's a completely white box, no logoing at all. That's how you know it hasn't been released to the public just yet. But before I get into that, I would just like to say how grateful I am for Edelbrock and the corporation. We went in not knowing what we were going to see. I met amazing people, saw cool technology, and just the whole corporation itself was amazing. And I'm so thankful that they reached out to me and we had the opportunity to go see them. So, now what everybody's been wondering, what's in the box? As we were leaving, Edelbrock gave us a brand new carburetor. This is the VRS. It is a carburetor that can go on your hot rod, street car, and now a racing car. There's so many features on this carburetor that we can't really break them all down here. So we will be making a future video explaining and understanding this entire carburetor.